Start his orders and off they go for the running of the last race of the evening, the Vijayawada Plate. And losing about 2 lengths at the start was Kazuri. Bandito is the one which shows out in the early stages, being joined on the outside by Country's Tigress. Then comes Bluebird the one, now being joined on the outside by Speed Queen as they come towards the 700-meter marker. Lovely McMill comes to next, the one on the inside railing, carrying about 3 wide off the fence was Lovely McMill, and the one which is dropping back is Point as they are heading towards the 700 and pass it at the moment. Ahead of a Point comes to next is Scorpion, Kazuri comes to next, and Matthew is running last. They begin to negotiate the bend and straightener for the final run, and Bandito is the one which comes to know first by about a length in front as they head towards the final 400-meter marker. From Speed Queen is the one which is beginning to make his run on the outside. Bluebird the one is looking dangerous on the outside and comes up with a good turn of foot on the outside. It's going to be Bluebird the one on the outside by about a length and a quarter in front of Speed Queen. Rest are in futile chase, but inside the final 100 meters, Bluebird the one has the lead about 2.5 and now striding clear. 2 over 3 in front, is going to lift the last race of the evening by about 2.5 in front of Country's Tigers finishing on second. Then we have Speed Queen, Bandito, Scorpion, Point comes the next, Mateo. They have been followed by Kazuri, Lovely McMahon.
Your attention please. Tote favorite for the 8th race is horse number 5, Speed Queen.